Two ships are there. I don't know whether it's a ferry ship or a cruise ship. Well, maybe one is a ferry ship, one is a cruise ship. I have no idea. Rhodos. And from Rhodos, we just passed south of Cyprus and heading towards Jordania. This is the city of Amman, right down below. And as you see, the sun is already about to set, so it's kind of twilight here over at Amman. And then we are flying into the night just over at the Saudi Arabian desert. Just very beautiful, as you see. And this is the front view, and this is the view from our side window with the engine number one to be seen. Perfect. So we are approaching Riyadh. So time to concentrate on our landing and approach. We expect an ILS approach to runway 15 right today in Riyadh. And there we are on final approach and the landing in original sound, original speed, and two perspectives, this time out of the cockpit. Landing by First Officer Andy.
Under the boat. 300. Minimum. 200. 100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard.